Guys, so what's up, community? Well, I have a couple of questions to ask you. Can a lockdown be ever so good? Yes, with COVID-19 pandemic, the whole world and the nation is suffering, right? And by following the government rules and regulation, we are just house arrest. But this lockdown has given us an ample amount of time, right? So, do we really utilize that time? Do we really make best use out of it? Well, I have selected 6 people like business owners and social media influencers from 6 states of India talking about the silver lining of house arrest. Guys, talk about what are the skills and what are the knowledge they attain in this lockdown period. So have a look.
Hello everyone, I'm from Chandigarh. During this lockdown, I've spent my time primarily on upskilling. I've finished quite a few courses from Coursera on brand scaling and business analytics. In a free time, I create content for my various social media platforms, watch animes, read mangas, and I play Age of Empires and Fortnite.
Namaskar, I'm from Maharashtra, Amchi, Mumbai. I'm a social media influencer, and because of lockdown, I was able to improve the quality of my content and at the same time reach out to more number of people. The best part is I was able to invest time towards my physical fitness and give away on my smoking habits, a decision that was pending from so many years.
I am from Kolkata. I utilized this lockdown time while doing a little bit of gardening on my rooftop garden, listening different skills about my business and spending a very quality time with my family. The only one thing I avoided during this lockdown time, that is the unnecessary SMS in my mobile.
I'm from Gujarat. Well, I invest my lockdown period in honing my skill and rolling into certification courses. I started my blogging and in fact I created some video contents for my people. Apart from them, I became an avid reader, which I wasn't, right? And I also manage all these activities by doing and maintaining my work from home schedule.
Hello everyone, I'm from New Delhi. So I have taken this opportunity of lockdown to learn social media mastery. I have opened my new YouTube channel to create difference in people's life. I have also learned the new leadership skills.
राम जी की मैं हरियाणा से। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं कि लॉकडाउन की वजह से सभी लोगों के बिजनेस बिल्कुल ठप हो गए हैं। इस लॉकडाउन में मैंने अपना ऑनलाइन बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया है, जिसकी वजह से मैं अपने घर पर ही बैठकर अपना बिजनेस कर सकता हूँ। फिर से मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Finally, you watch out the video, right? You got the idea from the 6 people from 6 states of India. How and what are the things which you can do to grow yourself? Well, it's never too late. Rather than being a procrastinator or a couch potato, it's time to start doing because the lockdown has extended. Okay? And in this extended period, you can do so many things at your home. So let me know in the comments below what are the things which you can do in this lockdown and what are the things which you are doing in this lockdown. So leave your comments below. Thank you so much guys for listening. I am out.